world, this is what I'm doing. So as I told you, it's harvesting season, and of course taking maize out of the corn is what we are doing, guys. Raw and uncut, life in the village, to be specific, in Siaya County in Kenya, that is in Africa, guys. Do you do the same as us? Yeah, this is what grandma is making me to do. I should run even and go back to the city, because this is how do you she's just smiling in the back of the background, guys. Thank you for the love and the support. This is what we are doing, and we are having our good time. Do you have this kind of corns? They are yellow in color. Of course there is white and different colors, but most of the time here they like planting these ones, because at least when you cook with them ugali, that is the staple food here in Africa, Kenya. At least it doesn't take a lot of flour inside the water. So that's why here in Siaya County, in my home, I think it's just a thing in the home, and they love it so much, guys. And we also have another type that is white in color, different colors. But in my home here, my grandma, most of the time I just see her doing this, so I don't know the secret. We'll just have a time, and she will tell us why she loves this kind of corn. Because guys, you can even remember last time when I was in Kisumu, that is my home place, my dad's place. They were not doing this. They were not harvesting this type of maize, but for them they are doing this. In each and every market, people have their different ways of doing their things. So this is their thing, guys. I've been doing this since morning. You can see I've peeled a lot, and I know we are still continuing, and I hope you'll enjoy it, guys. Just tell me, guys, in your place, how do you do it, and how do you do it, and how do you have this type of maize? Let's have a conversation. And why do you love this? For my brothers and sisters that are in Africa, Kenya, why do you like these types of maize, and why don't you like the other ones? Or why do you like the white ones and the other ones you don't like? Or what is the secret? Let me know, because we are about to move to the village. Village is going to be our full-time job. It's that I was telling you yesterday. Grandma has already, she was just doing it locally, hitting them with hitting them inside. She just put them inside a sack, then she's just hitting with a big stick, and now they are done. So this one's she'll even use as firewood. This one she'll just use as firewood, mixture of this. And yani, when you are putting fire into the fire, you just add this on top. It lit so quick and so fast, guys. So we are cleaning the where cows live. These are pure manure from we use them in the farms, guys. It's all about cleanliness. It's all about cleanliness, guys. And yeah. So guys, this is how they look. These are pure manure for the farms. So we are going to take them somewhere that we dump them. Here is where we dump them. Here is where we dump them, guys. So we'll go and use them into our farms, planting vegetables, things of this sort. It's all about cleanliness first before we end to somewhere else. So guys, I'm done. The environment is not that good, so let me show you the waste for goats. I'm done sweeping, so we'll just keep them for our animals. When we want to plant even some veggies, we can just sprinkle them into the farm. Yeah guys, so let's clean up here and see what next. Guys, so here we use this when we are going to the farm to harvest vegetables. We call it odheru. We just use it this way. You see, you remember how the Nigerian girls used to carry and do, okay my lord, how they normally do. So I'm going to harvest some vegetables here, and yeah, so this is what we're going to use. And guys, I also have this one here. This one we just use it for digging and also taking out the weeds. You can also use this one. Yeah, so let's get into the farm. To my granny's farm, guys, she has different type of veggies here. You can also, these veggies, I don't know how they are called, they're French peas. These ones are always so sweet. You can add them with they're always sticky. They're like okra, guys, and they're always so sweet. And these ones are kales, sukuma wiki. Sukuma wiki, in every home we have sukuma wiki because it's the cheapest, and even you can go to anybody's farm and you have it for free. Yeah, here in the village. So this is how we harvest. I just wanted even to at least weed a bit, taking out the weeds. You see, taking out the weeds this side, so that the sukuma wiki can grow in healthy and beautiful. The soil is soft because it has been raining, guys. So our main intention is to take away the weeds so that the veggies can grow so well and healthy. So that these ones, they are just like this because of the rain. When it rains, at times it rains with snow, so it hits the leaves so badly, but they are very healthy, guys. You can even see for yourself, they are very healthy. You can see this, they are very healthy. So let's weed a bit. Our president say that richness is in the farm. If you want to get yourself rich, you must love the farm. Yeah, and guys, we are loving the farm, every bit of it. Yeah, we are loving the farm. Lavim is in the farm. We are doing our thing and I'm loving it. We have different types of veggies, like this one, guys. Let me just take this one out and show you. This is the best that I love. I love this vegetable, like, I don't know, I call it sister to okra because it's always sticky. And in Africa, when we were young, our parents used to teach us how to eat. Mostly my mom. Yeah, let me say that. I can remember when my mom was teaching my bro and my sister how to eat with this one, or milk. Yeah, this one, because it's smooth and soft. Even if you don't have teeth, you can just swallow it without chewing. Yeah. So I must be careful when weeding, because it has been raining and things grow so fast. So you might think that they are weeds, but they are not. They are vegetables. For those of you who are new here, this is Lavin Owiti. This is Lavin Owiti from Africa, Kenya to be specific. Yeah, currently in Siaya County. So, what are these? Isn't it?
Managu.
Huh? These are the veggies that I was telling you. You can even see, bend down. These ones, they have flowers. We call them managu. You know, Famaisa is the one that knows all these names in English, but they are good vegetables. They are rich in nutrients. Even people who have diseases like pressure and diabetics, they use them, they eat them so much. You can see. Guys, there is this thing about me. Nowadays when I'm vlogging, I forget a lot of words. And after I'm done doing the video, it's when the words are coming back to my back of my head. And I'm like, is it a evil force that is forcing me or what? So guys, this is managu. But managu is a Swahili word in Kenya. So they are very good and they are very expensive here in Africa. Just come. Usikate. Just come. So I will be, I want to harvest a little bit of it before I want to harvest and a little of them before I continue weeding. So guys, this is how we do it here. Guys, the smell is just heavenly. The smell is just heavenly, guys. The smell is just heavenly, my people. Those of you who are saying, Lavin, come back to the village, you are right. You are right. Imagine, I could not be doing this. You are right, guys. Just see. Just see this, guys. We are going to have fresh vegetables. Okay? Fresh vegetables for lunch. Something serious about us, people don't like spinach here. Most of our parents. But the good thing about this, they are very fresh and very soft. So you can just use them without spinach. But in Nairobi, the city, it's not all the way. Just see how beautiful this one's back. Just lovely. Just see how beautiful this one's back. This one's are little, right? You can mix them together. They blend in so well. This is how beautiful everything is. This is my co-wife's compound, my grandpa. And they're doing a great job. Guys, it has been raining cats and dogs. And that's why you can see the farm has got a lot of weeds. But we are trying. I just want to finish up this video, cook, then I come help in digging and removing out the weeds. Just see how fresh they are. City life, Mathare people, you are not seeing me soon. Just see how fresh they are. I just love them. I just love them, guys. I hope the background voice is not interfering with your hearing, guys, because see how it happens. So we are done. Let's take this too. We are only 2 of us, yeah? We don't have so many people there. My uncle has gone for funeral, and God, I've taken it out. It will just come back again, right? So, yeah. I'll also plant this one in our farm. In our farm, guys, yes, our farm. Our farm there. We will plant these ones. It's our farm, it's not my farm, because guys, I love you so much. You are just the best. So, let's take this one's home and let's take this one's home. Then we'll cook, then we come back reading. Guys, I want to wash my veggies. After washing my veggies, I cook, then we go back to the farm. I didn't want to make the video too long, so I was just showing you a recap of what I do. So let's wash our veggies and cut them.